Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax return for a government salaried person. First, identify all your income sources and potential deductions. Next, collect essential documents such as your Form 16, which is crucial for salary details. Finally, select the appropriate income tax form, often ITR1, based on your income type and sources. This initial preparation ensures a smoother filing process. Your Form 16 is vital, as it provides a comprehensive summary of your salary and any tax deducted at source by your employer. Don't forget to claim eligible deductions. For instance, Section 80C allows deductions for investments like Provident Fund contributions or life insurance premiums, up to $150,000. Also, if applicable, claim housing loan interest under Section 24. Once your documents are ready, log in to the tax portal. Carefully select the correct assessment year and the original filing type. Proceed to accurately enter all your income details, including salary, from your Form 16. Ensure all deductions and tax paid are correctly reflected. After submitting, verify your return either electronically using Aadhaar OTP or by sending a signed ITRV to the tax department. To ensure a smooth process, always double-check every entry before final submission. Even small errors can lead to notices or delays. Remember to file your income tax return before the specified deadline to avoid any late filing penalties. Filing on time also ensures you receive any refunds promptly. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.